Practice set 1.3. Fill in the blanks with correct number. Cross multiplying, we have 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. So it will be 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Find the values of the determinants. This determinant, cross multiplying, we have minus 1 multiplied by 4 minus 7 multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 4 minus 14, that is minus 18. The second determinant, 5 3 and minus 7 0. Cross multiplying, we have 5 multiplied by 0 is 0 minus of 3 multiplied by minus 7. So we have 0 and minus of any minus quantity, negative quantity will be positive. So it will be 3 7s are 21. So the answer to this is 21. The third one, this is equal to 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. This will be 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. The difference between the numerator is 8. So it will carry the sign of the bigger number, which is 15. So it will be minus 8 upon 6. Simplifying it further, we have minus 4 upon 3 as the answer. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rule. Now we will bring this down over here. 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now calculate the value of d. Determinant d will be 3 minus 4, 4 and 3. This will be equal to 9 minus of minus 16. 4 4s are 16 minus 16. So it will be 9 plus 16, which is 25. Calculating dx. So in place of the coefficients of x in the first column, we will bring the third column here. So it will be 10, 5 and minus 4, 3. This will be the dx. Dx is equal to this much. So calculating the value of dx, it will be 30 minus of minus 20 will be plus 20. So dx will be 50. Calculating dy, in place of y we will bring the third column. So it will be dy will be equal to 3 4, the determinant, and 10 5. This will be equal to 15 minus, cross multiplying 3 5s are 15 minus 4 10s are 40. So dy will be minus 25. Therefore the value of x is equal to dx upon d. So dx is 50 upon d is 25. So x will be equal to 2. Y is dy upon d. Dy is minus 25 and D is 25. So the value of Y is -1. So we have the values X is 2 and Y is -1. Example 2. We'll, we will rewrite it. So it will be, in the standard form, it will be 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. And this in the standard form will be 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. Bringing this down over here, we have 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. D, the determinant D will be the first two columns 4, 3, 6, 5. Calculating it, we have 20 minus 18. 4 5s are 20 and 6 3s are 18. So the value of D is 2. The value of dx, now we have to find the value of dx. So in place of the coefficients of x, we will bring the constants 4 and 8. So it will be 4, 8, 3, 5. Cross multiplying, we have 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 24. So dx will be minus 4. dy, determinant dy is, we will eliminate the second column and bring the third column in place of it. So it will be 4, 4, 6, 8. Four 8s are 32, cross multiplying. Minus 4 6 are 24. So 32 minus 24 is 8. Therefore, calculating x, x is equal to dx upon d. dx is minus 4 upon d. So the answer, simplifying it, we get x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to dy, which is 8 upon d, which is 2. So the answer is 4. So the values of x is minus 2 and y is plus 4. Writing the second equation below the first equation, we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Obtaining the value of d, determinant d will be 1, 2, 2, minus 3. Solving it, we have minus 3 and cross multiplication. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus 2 into 2 is 4. So the value of determinant d is minus 7. dx, determinant dx, we will bring the third column. We will write the third column first, minus 1, 12. And then the second column, 2, minus 3. So it will be minus 1 into minus 3 will be plus 3. Minus 2 12s are 24. So it will be minus 21. dx will be minus 21. dy, we will bring the third column in place of second. So we have determinant dy as 1, 2, minus 1 and 12. 12 ones are 12. Minus of minus 1 multiplied by 2. So it will be 12 plus 2. which is 14. Therefore, x is equal to dx upon d, dx upon d, that is minus 21 upon minus 7. So negative quantity divided by negative quantity will be positive. 21 divided by 7 will be 3. Y is equal to dy upon d. Dy is 14 and d is minus 7. So positive quantity divided by a negative quantity will give you a negative quantity. So it will be minus 2. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So the value will be minus 2. So x is 3, y is minus 2. Writing the second equation below the first, we have 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 12. Therefore, d is equal to the terms in x and y, the coefficients of x and y, the first column and the second column. Solving it, we have minus 18 and minus of minus 32. So 32 minus 18 will be minus 14. Dx, bringing the third column in the place of the first column, we have dx is equal to minus 12 minus 2, and here we have minus 4 minus 3. So it will be 12 3s are 36. It will be a positive quantity. Two negative quantities, product of two negative is positive. Then we have minus. Again, two negative quantities, the product will be positive. But here we have minus sign. So it will be minus 8. 36 minus 8 will be 28. dy. In place of the second column, we will bring the third column. So dy will be equal to 6, 8 and the third column minus 12 minus 2. So dy will be minus 12 and plus 12 8 is 96. So it will be 84. X will be equal to dx upon d, dx upon d, which is 28 upon minus 14. So it will be minus 2. X is minus 2. Y is equal to dy, dy upon d. It is 84 upon minus 14. So it will be minus 6. 14 6 are 84. It will be minus 6. So the value of y is minus 6. So we have the two values. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 6. We will bring down the second equation over here. So it will be 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Calculating dn. So calculating d. So we have the first two columns in the determinant. So it will be 4, 3 and the second column will be 6 and 2. This is 6. 4 2s are 8. Minus 6 3s are 18. So it will be minus 10. Now dm, it will be the third column first. So it will be 54, 28, and the second column as it is 6 and 2. So the value of the determinant will be 108. 54 2s are 108 minus 6 8s are 48, 4, 6 2s are 12, and 4 will be 16, 168. So the value of this is 60. Value of dn, we write the first column 4 3, and in place of second column we write the third column 54 28. So 4 multiplied by 28, 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. Then we have 3 multiplied by 54, so 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, and 1 16. This is 3. So it is 162 minus 12, 50, but it will have a negative sign because 162 is bigger. So dn is equal to minus 50. Therefore m is equal to dm upon dn, dm upon d, which is 60 upon minus 10. So m is equal to minus 6. N is equal to dn upon d. It is minus 50 upon minus 10. So the value of n is equal to 5. The second equation can be simplified by multiplying it by 2. So it will be 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is our second equation. We will write it just below the first equation. 2x minus y is equal to 1. This equation we have simplified to this, and we are writing the second equation below the first equation. So the value of d, it will be the first two columns 2, 2, 3, minus 1. So it will be minus 2 minus 2 3s are 6. So it will be minus 8. dx, the third column and the second column. Determinant dx is equal to minus 2 minus 3. It will be minus 5. dy equal to the first column 2 2 and the third column 2 1. So it will be 2 minus 4. It is minus 2. Therefore value of x is equal to dx upon d. It is 5 upon 8. The value of y will be dy upon d. It is minus 2 upon minus 8. Therefore y will be equal to 1 upon 4. So x is equal to 5 upon 8, y is equal to 1 upon 4.